What if humans built a structure around the sun? Not a satellite, not a station, but a giant network designed to capture the energy of an entire star. For all of history, humanity used limited power: wood, coal, oil, gas, then solar panels, then fusion. But the sun always offered more energy than civilization could ever use. One day, humans decide to take it. Millions of machines are launched into space. Mercury is mined for metal. Asteroids are broken apart. Factories rise in orbit. Robotic drones begin building collector panels near the sun. Slowly, a shining swarm starts to form. For the first time, humanity is no longer just living near a star. It is engineering one. At first, only a small fraction of sunlight is captured. But even that tiny amount changes everything. Energy beams are sent back to Earth. Cities glow brighter than ever. Pollution disappears. Water is pulled from the sea and purified. Deserts bloom into forests. Nighttime skylines shine like daylight. Transportation transforms. Aircraft need no fuel. Vehicles charge wirelessly. Factories run forever. Food is produced at massive scale. For the first time, energy scarcity begins to vanish. Nations once fighting over resources now compete for something new: control of the solar network. Because whoever controls the sun controls civilization. As the Dyson swarm expands, humanity spreads outward. Mars receives constant power. Colonies grow beneath domes. Asteroid cities rise from mining stations. Habitats orbit Jupiter and Saturn. People no longer need to live only on Earth. Gigantic ships charge from solar beams before traveling into deep space. Children are born in orbital cities. Entire generations grow up never touching a planet. The old map of nations fades. A new map appears. Earth, Mars, belt colonies, moon stations, solar habitats. Humanity becomes a civilization of many worlds, all connected by one star. But power at this scale creates new dangers. One damaged collector causes a massive flare. Energy routes fail. Entire cities lose power in seconds. Debris storms strike outer panels. Cyber attacks target transmission systems. Political leaders argue over access. Some demand equal energy for all. Others want private control. The same force that ended scarcity now threatens conflict. So, new systems are built. Self-repair drones, solar storm shields, AI balancing power flow across every world. Humanity learns a painful lesson. Building greatness is hard. Controlling it is harder. Centuries later, the swarm surrounds much of the sun. Human civilization reaches Type 2 status. Planets are reshaped, moons become cities. Interstellar probes launch toward distant stars, carrying the same blueprint. Another sun, another swarm, another beginning. From deep space, the solar system no longer looks natural. It looks designed. One species changed the fate of its star. But a final question remains. If humans can control the power of a sun, what happens when they reach the next one? Because once a civilization captures a star, the galaxy may be next.